In this lesson, you can learn how to design this beautiful 3D infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. Go to insert and take this rounded rectangle by holding shift alt and make it its size to 3.5 and 3.5. Okay, I'm going to take its rotation, 3D rotation. X rotation will be 310, Y rotation will be 320, and Z rotation will be 65. Okay, it's look like this now. Shape fill, white fill, shape outline, give it this one color through the eyedropper. And I'm going to make its depth to, I think, according to your desired, you can increase its depth or decrease. Let me place it here. Take an oval shape and drag an oval shape like this. Okay, shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, give the recent color, and I'm going to make it soft edge, this one, and make it around about 14, 16. Okay, and let me fix it. Okay, and increase the transparency to 40 and send to back. Let me place it here and align it and make it according to the size that it give a little bit like a light, and according to the shape color it gives a little bit light. Okay, go to insert and take a text box. Let me write these numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 and Franklin Gothic heavy. Let me take heavy font and enter. Hit the enter, and I am going to make it font size round about 72. Okay, take a rectangle and drag a rectangle over these numbers and select both. That the numbers become convert to shape fill. Now I am going to make these number in shape fill, so I will be able to put these number in a perspective according to the design. So shape fill, no fill, shape outline according to the design, according to the shape, its color will go the recent color. Okay, let me give it some 3D rotation. 310 and 330 degree Y rotation and Z rotation. I think so 350 will be okay, and let me put it here at this side. That's why I convert these number to shape, that I will be able to put it according to the perspective. So select the 0 and put it here. For that I am going to use this 0 to other numbers. Okay, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate it and place it here in a row. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. You can increase or decrease these shapes according to your requirements. Let me place it here at the center of the slide. I'm going to make it up and down, little bit up and down, so this one will go up, and the fourth one will also go up. Let me place it here for now, and I'm going to put it up. Shape number fourth, oh sorry. Okay, let me bring some icons. I need 5 icons for this design, and you can find your required icons in this here in this icon tab. Just type your text in the search bar and you will find your desired icon. I need growth icon, this one, so I'm going to insert these 5 icons to the slide by holding Shift Alt and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm also going to convert these icon from SVG to shapefill by going to group and ungroup, make it ungroup, so these will be converted to the shapefill. So shapefill, no fill, and shape outline according to the shape. I'm going to give this color. So now I'm going to put it in a 3D perspective according to the design, so it will put over the shapes. The X rotation will be 350, Y rotation will be 320, and Z rotation will be 10, I think so. Let me fix it, and let me look at how it looks like. I am going to make its width little bit to 1 whole 1 over 2 and 2 whole 1 over 4. Okay, let me delete this one and select Control Shift V C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of this number to the next one number. Okay, let me give this another different color. Through the eyedropper you can pick, and for okay, and sorry, these are in groups, so I'm going to make it ungroup. Sorry, this I am going to change its perspective manually, because these the first one icon is in group, so it is unable to transfer the effect of the first one icon to the another icons. So I'm going to make its perspective manually. Let me first of all convert all these icons to shapefill, and now our shapefill, no fill, and shape outline. I'm going to give the next one, the third one color, so the second one color, and let me put it in a perspective. Okay, 350 X rotation and 320 Y rotation, and Z rotation will be 10. Now let me put these icons and make it with 2 whole 1 over 4, and let me put these icons over these shapes, and later on I will change its color as I have a color palette in the slide side. So I'm giving through the eyedropper this color and recent color, and also give it a recent color, yes, and let me this light give also according to the shape color. Let me pick this color, select all these shape outline and make it recent color. and the light color will go to shape fill. This one, let me fix it. Select all these outlines and go to outlines, and through the eyedropper pick this third one color, and I'm going to shape fill and give this color recent color. Let me change this color also. Yes, it is okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to delete these number one, and shift the effect of the 0 number to 3, and when you are going to shift the effect and the perspective of a number to another number, just control shift C and control shift V, like this. It's very simple, but it will take a little bit time because this is a very complex design. So let me now draw a road that goes from one shape to another, and from another to another shape, third one shape to the fourth one shape, and last to the fifth one shape. And I'm just click out of the slide and make its I am going to duplicate it and place it over here. Let me just, for now I'm putting it down, and I'm going to make its width bigger, that it's look like a road. Okay, yes, like this. And now I will put the second one over it and make its fill to shape outline to white outline, and make its dashes. Let me align it first of all, and now make it dashes, so it will look like a road, like this. Now I'm going to, so I'm unable to, okay, send to back. And now this is very simple to make a road. Okay, let me fix this number 2, and I'm going to make it a little bit move to up. Okay, let me move this shape number 4 little bit to up. I have some written text. To bring this text, Control C and Control V in the slide. To bring the slide, I'm going with the ready-made text there to save the time. Now I'm going to place these texts under these shapes. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Let me place it here. I'm going to change these heading color according to the shape, and this one, select this one, and this one. Okay, let me give the color according to the shape. To change the heading color according to the shape, yes, like this. Select, oh sorry, this one is different, I am going to give it according to the shape color. Hope you have enjoyed this design, and this is a very beautiful design, and you can use this design for your